Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to your online class. In this video, we will continue our lesson number 7, that is word replacing noun. Students, word replacing noun is also known as pronoun. As we have already studied, pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, Jack and Millie came for a coffee. Here, Jack and Millie is noun, so we can replace Jack and Millie with the pronoun they. They came for a coffee. Students, we already studied about the subject pronouns, which are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Subject pronouns come in the naming part of a sentence. In this video, we are going to learn about the object pronouns, which are me, him, her, it, us, you, and them. They come in the telling part of a sentence. Let's start. What is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is a pronoun that performs an action in the sentence. Now, what is an object pronoun? The object pronoun receives the action from the subject. We can understand it with the example. She shouts at Mark. Here, she is a pronoun which is doing an action. She must be shouting at someone. So, here in this example, she is shouting at Mark. Mark is receiving the action which is done by the girl. Hence, Mark will be the object and the girl will be the subject. From this example, we can conclude that subject pronoun performs an action whereas object pronoun receives the action. She shouts at him. Him is an object pronoun. Him receives the action which is done by she. She shouts at him. Pronouns are not always used as subject in starting of a sentence. Object pronouns come in the telling part of a sentence. One more example for you. I saw him today. I is the subject pronoun which is doing the action. Saw is the action which is done by I. And him is the pronoun which is receiving the action. I saw him today. Students, here I have a small trick for you by which you can identify the subject pronoun or the object pronoun. Subject pronoun always comes before the verb, whereas object pronoun comes after the verb. Now, here are the list of some subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Here are the list of object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Now let us understand the object pronouns in detail. Rita is my sister. I am playing with Rita. We can use a pronoun in place of the name Rita in the second sentence. But in the second sentence, Rita is not the subject. Subject here is I, not Rita. So we can say Rita is my sister. I am playing with her. The pronoun her is like pronoun she. It is used in place of girl's or woman's name. But she is always used at the starting of a sentence as the subject. Here, her pronoun is not the subject of a sentence. Our next example is I am the only child of my parents. My parents love me a lot. Pronoun me is like pronoun I. When we are talking, we can use pronoun me to refer ourselves. But I is used as a subject at the starting of the sentence. Me is not used as a subject. This is Rahul's pen. Please give it to Rahul. We can use a pronoun in place of Rahul. In the second sentence, the name Rahul is not the subject. So we will use him, not he. He is only used as a subject of a sentence. This is Rahul's pen. Please give it to him. Him is used in place of a noun which refers to a boy or man, just like the pronoun he. A sentence can start with a pronoun he, but it wouldn't start with pronoun him. Ritu is with Anu. Ritu is telling Anu a joke. Anu is not the subject of the second sentence, so we cannot use she. So, students, what pronoun should we use to replace the name Anu? We can use here her. As we know that her is used for girl's name. Ritu is with Anu. Ritu is telling her a joke. We don't need to worry. Rajat will join us tomorrow. We can use us when we talk about ourselves and some other people, just like pronoun we. But us is not used at the starting of a sentence. Ravi and Rana are friends. Nothing can separate them. Here, them is used in place of Ravi and Rana. We use them when we talk about many people. It is just like the pronoun they. They is used as a subject, but them cannot be used as a subject. Moving to our next example. I have bought few apples. I have put them on the table. Them can be used to talk about many objects. You. You is a very special kind of pronoun. Why? Because you is used for both singular and plural nouns in any part of a sentence. For example, you are my parents. I am proud of you. Here, you is used as a subject pronoun, whereas in the second sentence, I becomes the subject because I am talking about myself and you becomes the object as it refers to my parents. As well as parents is a plural noun. So, you is used as a pronoun. You are my parents. I am proud of you. Likewise, you are my best friend. I like to play with you. Here, best friend is a singular noun and thus you is used as a pronoun. Students, I have prepared a chart for you all to understand the replacement of noun with pronoun. In this chart, form A are the pronouns which are used in place of noun in the naming part, whereas form B are the pronouns that are used in place of the nouns which are in the telling part. The third column refers to the replacement of the noun by the pronouns mentioned in form A and B. I and me replaces the speaker in the sentence. We and us replaces speaker and another person or persons in the sentence. She and her is used for singular female. He and him is used for singular male. It is used for singular thing. You and you, the person or persons spoken to in the sentence. Here is a note for you students. We can use the pronoun them with non-living things, but we don't use they for objects. For example, in our previous example, I have bought few apples. I have put them on the table. Here we have used them in place of apples, which is an object. We cannot use they with objects. Now let's memorize the pronouns with the help of example. I will change into me. He will change to him. She will change into her. They, them, we, us. For example, I like Anna. Anna likes me. Here, I is changed into me. I is a subject pronoun and me is an object pronoun. He likes Anna. Anna likes him. The subject pronoun he changes into the object pronoun him. She likes Anna. Anna likes her. Similarly, she changes into her. They like Anna. Anna likes them. The subject pronoun they changes to the object pronoun them. We like Anna. Anna likes us. We changes into us. The other pronouns you and it remains the same, whether they are in place of a subject or an object. You like Anna. Anna likes you. It is understood that you is used in place of a subject or an object. It is awesome. Anna likes it. It remains same in the form of subject pronoun or the object pronoun. Students, don't get confused because in the example it is mentioned as subject pronoun in both the sentences. It is because it doesn't change with the subject or object. Now it's your practice time. Choose the correct pronouns from the brackets and complete the sentences. First one is Akhil loves ties. This tie is for, and your options are her or him. Daisy was trapped. Monty helped dash. Her or she. Mom came to have lunch with dash. We or us. Tina has a puppy. Dash is white in color. Your options are it or they. I like this storybook. This storybook is for dash. I or me. Choose the correct pronoun. Here are the answers. Akhil loves ties. This tie is for him. Daisy was trapped. Monty helped her. Mom came to have lunch with us. Tina has a puppy. It is white in color. I like this storybook. This book is for me. I hope you all have understood pronouns well and now will use them in your daily conversation. They are very interesting and can bring magic in your writing skills too. That's all for today. Thank you.